after discussing about the types of motion, now let us discuss about translatory motion and two types of translatory motion. First thing is, what do you mean by a translatory motion? If the position of a body is completely changing from one place to another place in a particular path, and then we will say the body is in translatory motion. This means the body completely transfers from one place to other place, and the body cannot regain the previous place by traveling in the same path, and that's the meaning of translatory motion. And the translatory motion is divided into two types, distance and displacement. Now let us see what do you mean by distance and what do you mean by displacement. Let us consider two places A and B as shown in this figure. A and B are two places. To connect A and B, there is a path. This is the curved path, actual curved path connecting A and B. And the magnitude of the actual path between the two places A and B is called distance. So the magnitude of the actual path connecting the two places is called distance. And now let us assume a straight path as the shortest path connecting the places A and B. The shortest path connecting the two places A and B is nothing but the straight path, and that is called as displacement. So the definition of displacement is, it is the shortest path connecting the two places, and distance is a scalar quantity because distance has certain magnitude and it does not have any fixed direction. And if the body is at this point, its direction is like this. Here the direction is above, here this is the direction. So as the position of the body changes, its direction of motion also changes. That means there is no fixed direction, but it has the fixed magnitude. That side is scalar quantity. In the other hand, displacement is a vector quantity. It has certain magnitude as well as fixed direction. Always arrow mark shows A to B. So it is a vector quantity. Distance is a scalar because it has magnitude and no direction. Displacement having both magnitude and direction. That's why it is a vector quantity. And units. Basically, it may be distance, it may be displacement, both are lengths only. Both are length. So length have the same unit. In MKS system, unit of length is meter. In CGS system, unit is centimeter. So distance and displacement have the same units. In MKS, meters. In CGS, seconds. So this is the basic information about the translatory motion, distance and displacement.